Yes, I do remember.
Oh my word.
Good girl.
You remember that?
Whole thing came out.
Nicole.
Nicole.
Good. Tell Mama,
Does it
good.
taste funny?
No,
No.
it's
Tell Mama, good.
Is it good? Okay. Well, food just doesn't taste normal to me.
Look at her pretty little
Yeah.
with one on it. Thanks, Kim.
Good. Hmm?
This is so pretty. And her,
Yeah, the dollar store.
and her napkins and everything says one. So cute.
Yeah. Yay, baby.
Whoa.
He says he wants his cut up.
Oh, he's fine.
Whoa, it's freezing snow up there.
It's freezing
Yeah.
snow.
I'm betting it, guys. I'm betting it. Not mommy.
Good girl.
Is it good? Say yum, Mama.
You have it. Claire have it.
I'm done now. It's very nice. I'm done already.
You liked it?
okay.
Good boy. It's Jackson's favorite. Butter pecan.
Yeah.
I love my thing, mommy.
That's good, Jax.
I really love
Very
my
good.
cake.
I didn't have raspberries, so I made you raspberry pie. But I know you like cherry.
I probably like cherry better right now. You okay, Chloe? Here, why don't you sit in this one?
Mommy, mommy.
Oh my, Jackson, you're making a disaster. Can you just eat that, buddy? How about you just eat?